In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily join a community group on Treehouse. First, you're going to go under the Parents drop-down and click on Groups. Once you're at the Groups page, you can scroll down and see all of the available groups that you are able to join. So for example, if I wanted to join a group, what you can do is if it is a public group, you can click on Join, where you will automatically be added into the group. Or if it is a private group, you can request to join, meaning that the provider or the clinic will have to accept you before you join their closed group. So let's go ahead and add ourselves to the Ask a Doula group. Once I click on join, I receive access to the public group newsfeed, where you can see all of the posts being added, any videos, any GIFs. You can also add any images as well. And you can go ahead and you can share a little bit about yourself on maybe why you joined the group. And again, add any additional photos, videos, or GIFs. The provider is also able to upload any PDFs. So if this is a closed group for a program or a workshop, you are able to access all of the information that you would need through this group. And that is how you can join a group on Treehouse.